Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're talking about a stock that has been making headlines across Wall Street and the AI investment community. That stock is Nebius Group, ticker NBIS. Over the last few months, investors have watched this company deliver incredible gains, and now many are asking the same question. Is Nebius still a buy, or is the stock getting dangerously overheated? The excitement surrounding Nebius isn't happening by accident. The company is operating in one of the fastest growing industries in the world right now, artificial intelligence infrastructure. While most people focus on AI chatbots and software platforms, there's an entire layer underneath that powers everything. Massive data centers, advanced GPUs, cloud computing networks, and AI infrastructure are all required to make artificial intelligence work at scale. That's exactly where Nebius is positioning itself. Investors are becoming increasingly interested because demand for AI computing power continues to explode. Every new AI model requires enormous amounts of processing power, and companies around the world are competing to secure those resources. This creates a huge opportunity for infrastructure providers. What makes Nebius particularly interesting is that management isn't thinking small. The company has been aggressively expanding its operations and investing heavily in future growth. Their strategy is built around one simple idea: build capacity today so they can meet the massive AI demand of tomorrow. If that strategy works, the upside could be significant. But there are risks that investors shouldn't ignore. Building AI infrastructure isn't cheap. New data centers cost billions of dollars. High-end AI chips are expensive. Energy requirements continue increasing. To support future growth, Nebius may need substantial amounts of capital. That's why investors should pay close attention to future financing decisions. The market currently seems willing to reward companies that are aggressively pursuing AI opportunities. However, if growth slows or expenses rise faster than expected, investor sentiment could change quickly. Another factor helping Nebius is the broader AI boom. Major technology companies continue spending billions of dollars on artificial intelligence. Startups are raising record amounts of capital. Enterprise adoption is accelerating. All of this creates demand for infrastructure. The bull case for Nebius is straightforward. If AI demand continues growing at its current pace and the company successfully expands its infrastructure footprint, revenue growth could remain strong for years. The bear case is also easy to understand. Competition is increasing rapidly. Larger companies have enormous financial resources. Execution mistakes or slower than expected growth could put pressure on the stock. This is why Nebius has become such a closely watched company. Investors aren't simply buying the current business. They're buying the possibility that Nebius becomes a major player in the future AI economy. That's a powerful story, but it's also a story that requires execution. The next few earnings reports will likely be extremely important. Investors will want to see evidence that customer demand remains strong, infrastructure investments are paying off, and management can continue delivering on expectations. If those pieces fall into place, the stock could continue attracting attention from growth investors. If not, volatility could increase dramatically. For now, Nebius remains one of the most exciting and controversial AI stocks in the market. Supporters see a company with enormous potential. Critics see a stock that may already be pricing in years of future success. As always, investors should do their own research, understand the risks, and avoid making decisions based purely on hype. What do you think about NBIS stock? Can Nebius become one of the biggest winners of the AI revolution, or has the rally gone too far, too fast? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's analysis, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future stock market updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.